Welcome back, guys. Magna Junkie here. We are down at a little boat dock. You can kind of see it through the trees. It's over there. We're going to hit that up in a second, but I saw this little beach area. Figured I'd come comb this around. We're right near a railroad track again, so maybe we can find some spikes. I'm not sure. Pretty excited today. I got the rope out. Got a brand new, nice thicker rope. And thanks to Dad coming in here, got the biggest cab clip I've ever seen in my life. This is 5,700 pounds that it'll hold on to. And instead of using tape, I had a couple of these guys, so I threw them on there. All right. This thing is a beast. I like it. Guys, I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate the support. Not sure exactly when this video will go up, but I have hit 100 subscribers, and some of you might not think that's a big deal, but it's a huge deal to me, and I really appreciate it. Hey, boys and girls, let's try over here on this side now. What in the world is that? What in the heck is that? It's a tripod for a camera. Why in the world would a camera tripod be down there? Oh no, it says Pearl on it. It's from a drum set. It's snares from a drum set. That's a first time find. Huh. We'll get that out of there. Wasn't expecting that. He's definitely stolen. I tied it all up, but you can see if I can get this. Put it on right here. Flip that around. I don't know how well you guys can see that. It says Pearl on it. What do we got? We got a twist tie. A little better. Let's see what we got. Huh. No, looks like it could be some old nails rusted together. Looks like some old flathead nails. On it. Stay on it. No. Something's on there, but there was something else there. What is that? Alright, a little piece of metal. Know what that guy is? Got a couple of little things on there. Another old rusty bolt. Oh. Looks like blue moon today. We had something. Or we got something. I think we got it. Yeah, we got something. Oh ho ho, look at that murder metal right there, boys and girls. And there's the first knife of the day. Look at that. It's brand new. I always do that, change the battery, forget to put my gloves back on. Alright, we got a bunch of metal rocks. Big old hook there. that off. Got another small hook right there. I don't know if you guys can even see that thing. Need a little baby hook. Oh man, it's literally slamming on something. Well, what in the world could that be? Feels like it's all over the place. What could this be? Look at that, look at that. Look, 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 look. Nice, now we are on it. I told you there's something down there. There's a big old toe strap. There's something big down there. Well, we got part of it out of there. Alright. Oh, something was on there. It just fell off. Oh, I got something. What in the world? That's evil looking. Okay, looks like a evil dentist pick or something. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It looks all cloudy. Hopefully you guys can see that. Woo, woo. Why does it look like that? Oh, is it wet? Good job, me. Tangled up on something. Whoa, hey, what do we got? Nice. Give me that. What in the world? Alright. Only a couple minutes in. Nice. Get that junk out of there. Woo! What do we got here? There's some fish. No. Oh, more metal just like that before. Get that out of there. What's that? Hey, there's some fishing gear. Sweet. Got a little eye hook there. He's just dirty. He's not in that bad a condition. Oh man, do I got water on my camera? Oh no, the sun was hitting. Okay. Doesn't like my magnet being close to it either. Alright. Check that out one more time. Alright, boys and girls. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you could, if you haven't, hit that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Come along for this journey a little more. Today was pretty fun. I can't believe we found a drum set or part of a snare. That's pretty cool. That's a first time find for me. So yeah, that'll pretty much do it. It's beautiful out here. It's Friday. I'm gonna get home and go spend some time with the girls. I appreciate it. Everybody remember, get up, get out, and go find yourself. Peace out.